This 2004 Fleetwood Bounder 35E Deer Hunters Special is a Class A RV. It is located in Hot Springs, Arkansas, 71901 and is offered for sale by Quality Wheelz. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Fleetwood is 35 feet 5 inches in length and features a brown interior, sleeps 4, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out, stovetop burner, oven, leveling jacks, microwave, water heater, air conditioning, awning, TV, and 86 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bedroom. This 2004 Fleetwood Bounder 35E Deer Hunters Special is built on a Workhorse chassis and is powered by a GMC engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.